Hello students, welcome to online classes. Today we will read chapter number 2 of history, the earliest societies. Prehistory is the earliest period in the history of humans when they did not know how to read or write. All our information about this period comes from fossils such as bones and skeleton and artifacts such as tools, caves, paintings and potteries. Since no written records on manuscripts are available, our knowledge about the prehistoric period is very limited. Prehistoric ended at different times in various places when people learned to write. Life in the prehistoric period. Modern human beings first appeared on Earth about 200,000 years ago. Scientists believe that they evolved or developed from hominians. Hominians were not human beings, but they had characteristics similar to humans. Hominians could walk, stand erect, and knew the art of making fire. When human beings appeared, they learned how to adapt to their challenging environment. They knew how to hunt and how useful fire was. They had learned all these from their early predecessor, the hominians. Early humans were known as hunters and gatherers. They hunted animals for their meat and gathered fruits, roots, honey, berries, nuts, etc. from the forest. Early humans were nomadic. They moved from place to place in search of more food and water. When the animals that they hunted moved to distant places, the early humans, being dependent on them, were compelled to move with them. The main tools used by early humans were made of stone. Stone was used because it is easily available in nature. Stone was hard enough to be used as a weapon and could be shaped or sharpened into different sizes depending on the purpose it was being used for. The predominant use of stone tools has led archaeologists and historians to term this period as the Stone Age. The archaeologists have divided prehistoric stone tools into three main categories: core tools, flat tools, and blade tools. Core tools were palm sized stones which were used for pounding, smashing, and throwing. All subsequent tools emerged from core tools. Flake tools were used specifically for scraping and slitting. With time, early humans used new techniques to develop the flake tools. Blade tools were the early forms of the knives that we use today. Phases of the Stone Age. We can study the prehistoric period or the Stone Age by dividing it into three phases: Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, and Neolithic Age. Paleolithic Age. The Paleolithic Age began roughly around 2 million years ago. During this period, the early humans lived in caves near rivers and lakes. They hunted wild animals and gathered food, berries, and fruits to sustain their lives. Paleolithic age has been further divided into three periods: Lower Paleolithic, Middle Paleolithic, and Upper Paleolithic period. The Lower Paleolithic age coincides with the first appearance of stone tools. The climate during this era was extremely cold and many parts of the earth were covered with ice. In the Middle Paleolithic age, the main tools used were scrapers and bows. Around this time, early humans began to live in groups or tribes, developed culture from each one. The Upper Paleolithic age coincides with the last phase of the ice age. The climatic also become warmer. The most common tools of this age were blades and barons. The discovery of fire. The most important features of the old stone age: early humans had already seen natural fires in the forms of forest fire, but they did not know how to create fire on their own. Probably one day they accidentally produced fire by carelessly rubbing two stones against each other. The controlled use of the fire not only helped early humans to cook their food but also kept them warm during these harsh winters of the Ice Age. The Mesolithic Age. The Mesolithic or the Middle Stone Age began roughly around 12,000 years ago till about 10,000 years ago. During the Mesolithic Age, humans continued to live as hunter or the gatherer. The climate now became warm and dry. Mesolithic settlements have been found along river banks such as the Ganga Valley in the districts of Allahabad and Pratapgarh in Uttar Pradesh. The Neolithic Age. The Mesolithic Age was actually a transition period and was followed by the Neolithic Age. The Neolithic Age began around 10,000 years ago and went on until about 4,000 years ago. In some places, however, the Neolithic culture continued even at least as 1000 BCE. During this period, humans began to live in settlements. All these developments are referred to as the Neolithic revolutions. Art of the prehistoric period. We know that the prehistoric humans lived in the natural caves and rock shelter. They often decorated these rocks and caves with beautiful paintings and carving. Most of these paintings represent different activities of the prehistoric life, such as hunting, tribal rituals, and ceremonies. There are over 150 Stone Age rock painting sites in India, but the rock shelter of Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh is the most fascinating. Archaeologists have discovered a set of rock painting and drawing in the caves. The paintings depict stick figures chasing and hunting animals. Some paintings show young and old people dancing and performing rituals. In many of these paintings, the main colors are ochres or red and white. Outside India, such prehistoric paintings have also been found in France, Spain, and certain other countries. Case study of Hansgi Valley. A large number of stone tools have been found in the Hansgi Valley, located in the Deccan in Karnataka's Gulbarga district. This led the archaeologists to conclude that people lived there in a large number. Smaller sites were probably used as camping area. Hansgi is considered to be a factory site, a site where stone tools were manufactured in a large number. A factory site is different from the habitation site where humans lived for a particular period of the time. Sometimes a site may have functions both as a factory site and a habitation site. The Stone Age witnessed a great effort on the part of humans to understand and adapt to their environment. As you must have realized, life was not easy during the prehistoric era. Early humans struggled to obtain food and water, but all this world changed in the Neolithic Age. Students, I hope you all have understand this chapter. I am attaching these chapters from your book. You have to reread this chapter again. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.